Car insurance is something every driver in the state is required to have, but a Sun-Times investigation found that what you're often quoted to pay can differ based on things like your gender, what neighborhood you live in, or even whether you're a renter or homeowner. I caught up with the reporter behind the piece for a preview of this week's Watchdogs report. We're talking about disproportionate insurance quotes based on really small factors. What did your investigation find?
So we sought car insurance price quotes, and we found broad-based discrimination with many companies in the areas of gender, home ownership, educational attainment and occupation, and a variety of other factors. We found that when you were comparing just a male driver and a female driver, the differences in price quotes could be up to $370 in some cases.
You could have more than one of these things, and it could be a doozy, right?
When you pile on all of these different things, so you have a female who rents her home, who didn't go to college, who works in retail, you could see a difference between a male who's, has a college education, works professionally, and owns his home. You could see a difference of $613 a year.
How did you get this information? What was the investigation like for you? Because from what I hear, it was quite a process.
What we did was we developed a fictitious 38-year-old Chicagoan. 38 years old, single, drives a 2012 Ford Taurus SE, and has a perfect driving record. And just like they tell you, to go online and spend 15 minutes and get an insurance quote, that's what we did, but we did it over 300 times. And we compared all these things. So we would swap out gender, or we would swap out one person owns their house and one person rents their house.
Well, what about the insurance groups? What do they have to say on this?
Well, the insurance companies say that all of their rates are based on statistics. So they look at their book of business and their history of accidents and losses, and that's how they determine their rates. And by law, they are actually not able to discriminate on things like race, ethnicity, religion. But the consumer groups say that by using things like educational attainment or job description, you're essentially capturing populations and discriminating that way.
Is anything being done about this?
Well, some states are changing the way they do things. Right now, there's 3 states that prohibit the use of credit history in driving. They say it shouldn't matter if you have a poor credit score, what your car insurance price is. Because again, everybody needs car insurance to be able to legally drive. People who are watching this should go online and do the price quotes for themselves, because they'll probably find that they can save a little bit of money.
Yeah, it's an eye-popping topic, and one you can read more about right now on the Sun-Times website. We're going to have a link to that for you on our website, thejamtvshow.com.